This man, Monkey D. Dragon, the head of the Revolutionary Army in One Piece, is widely regarded as the strongest individual in the entire series. Despite his limited appearances, the world government has bestowed upon him the title of the world's most wanted man and the worst criminal in history. While there are 4 powerful emperors roaming the seas and numerous formidable figures with bounties in the billions, Dragon is singled out as the most significant threat among them all. His mere presence during the rescue of Luffy sent shockwaves throughout the island without him even unleashing a fraction of his true power. Sabo, who was trained under him, faced the 5 elders and survived. This showed that the mere title of worst criminal of history serves as a testament to the extent of his menace, suggesting that the world government perceives him as an unparalleled threat throughout history.